Hi, I'm George with Argo Electrical Services, and I'm here today to invite you to give us a call at 770-596-1437. We've been electrical contractors in the Gainesville, Dawsonville, Cumming, Georgia area for the last 13, 14 years. I am a master electrician. We are a full service electrical contractor. We do any kind of service work on your home, on your property, commercial properties, and we also do some limited industrial work. Our, main buttered bread, as it were, is residential services. Anyway, I'm standing here. That's a picture of me on Lake Lanier with my dad a couple of years ago on Good Friday. We went out on a charter, and I was lucky enough to get that fine fellow to bite the hook. And anyway, you can contact me. You can send me an email message to george at argoelectrical.com. You can also call me once again at 770-596-1437. So I'm going to show you some of the projects that we've done. This is a couple of pictures of Jay Christopher's restaurant in Flowery Branch. Chris has probably 35 restaurants around the southeast. They're basically a breakfast, brunch, lunch type deal. Really good food. They've got a really good menu. I know they've got places all the way from St. Simon's all the way back to Texas, I believe. But anyway, this one here is in Flowery Branch. We did a complete build out, all the wiring for this, and had a real good time there. Really enjoyed working with them. We came in under budget, and I was real satisfied with the project. I believe they were too. If you ever go in there, any of the lighting or any of the electrical in the kitchen, we redid every bit of that. So, anyway. So here's another project we did in 2018. It's a restaurant on the square in Gainesville called the Chop Block, and it's basically a sports bar and restaurant. And you can see all the TVs going down through there, and then you can see the TVs on the wall and in the back right there. It really is a pretty cool little venue. It holds about 60, 70 people or whatever. And I think at some point they were actually having bands play up here and all. We wired both floors of this, and you see all the hanging pendant lights. And we redid this whole bar area. We rewired the whole kitchen, did the service for all of this. Had a good time there, and they have a real good steak here. Nice menu as well. All right, here's another lighting renovation project that we helped these people when they remodeled their kitchen. And we got power to the island right here. We provided some new circuits for her custom ranges. We also did recessed lighting in the ceiling, and installed these brand new pendant lights, which are a pain in the rear end. I don't say so myself. But this is, you can also see the good lighting in the bedroom. Some of that may actually be from the daytime, but we do all kinds of residential remodeling. No job too big or too small. So there's no origami. So here's an example of a chandelier that we hung. Okay, you can see that, that dude's up there about 20 foot in the air. And we also, we also can provide you with a wider selection of dimmers, any temperature controlled lighting that you would like to look at, work on. That could go with anything from just the temperature of the inserts or the bulbs that we use for your fixtures to, smart switches and stuff like that. So here's a dock, obviously. This is on Lake Lanier over in South Hall, actually. And we do provide Exhibit C inspections. We do complete dock wiring. We can get power to your dock. We also can find shorts in the wiring and make repairs on that. We can repair wiring on your dock. Here's a copy of the Exhibit C. This is what the Corps of Engineer requires every 5 years. Those of you who have docks know exactly what I'm talking about. Your electrician would sign here. Hopefully that's me the day of the inspection, their license number. Then you would put your dock number there. The permittee is you, date, and the permit number once again. And it just gives you a little side picture here of what your sub panel on the shore would have, the wiring coming to it. Would be about 24 inches deep. They want a warning tape in the dirt at 12 inches. Then you've got the cord that goes down to the dock. That needs to be from 100 to 50 foot long. That way when the level of the lake goes down, you want a longer cord so you can let your dock out and it doesn't stress the wire out. So anyway, this is an Exhibit C. We've probably done 300 or 400 of these in the last 10 years. Here's another example of some residential interior lighting retrofit that we have done. And, we just basically, we sell our customers a high quality LED insert that fits the temperature that they want. And, you notice right here, it says complete lighting design. It meets her desires and it fits his budget. We certainly hope so. And this is the last but not least. This is a project that we did down in Talmo a few years ago, and this is the before. You see all these fluorescent lights going all the way down here. So we came back in and we replaced all these with 4-foot LED fixtures. And basically, for what it costs to run these right here, I could save you 75 to 80% of your bill. I could basically run all these lights for the cost of about 3. Obviously it would take a couple of years to realize the savings, but we do all kinds of electrical projects. We do good work. You can look us up on Google. Got over 145 star reviews. We work really hard to keep your business and get your business. And please give me a call at 770-596-1437. Thank you.